2?
Yeah.
Fuck it, well, I'll launch Div 2 first.
Fucking disaster of a game, which, you know, I hope you backed up your save files. Yeah.
He fucking knows.
I fucking do.
I will quickly before I begin, I will showcase the best feature of this new update. Alright. You watch it when I watch now, just piss me off. Just
Rusty boy.
piss me off.
Because he fucking knows.
He fucking knows. It's not launching. Anyway. Fucking knows. He 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 fucking knows.
Oh.
He fucking knows. He fucking knows. Yeah, watch. Ready?
So, I was literally about to get ready to go to the gym and it started pissing down with a nasty fucking storm. So, we can fuck off and all. Sorry, the fuck. Yeah, anyway, so it's very fucking dark. And there's your rain. So I figured, do you know what? Why don't I do the washing up first? I'll do the washing up first, see if it clears up a bit. And I'm going to make myself a coffee. So, what do I need? I need some fucking brown shit. Not like the shit I went through earlier on. It fucking stunk. So, yeah, we'll make a coffee. What do we need to make a coffee? Water. But you need to fucking have hot water. Where do you get water from? The fucking kettle, you daft cunt. Some fucking people. Anyway, got a kettle here. This is a bag of fucking wank, this is. Water in it. You put it on there. And I raise my voice a bit, because it's starting to rain, and you're going to hear my fucking lovely voice over the sound of God pissing on its people. See, I use a different prefix there, because David Cameron once said, and if you take the square root of 100, go fuck yourself. Right, I need a mug. There's multiple ways of getting a mug. All I do is walk 5 paces down the fucking street and bam, one's right there. He's like, give me the fucking money. I go, fuck off, bastard! I realise I'm fucking man. Anyway. Don't worry, I'm not always this anti-Semitic. So I got myself a first order. You thought I was throwing it, didn't you? Really fucking hit my hand. Anti-Semitic, yeah. I'm not always that anti-Semitic. So I realise I've got a cappuccino box here. Fucking needs that anyway. Get a spoon from like 4 weeks ago. That's 2 fortnights. Fortnight 2 confirmed, kids. So get your mum and dad's wallet, spend all your fucking money, and get the biggest fucking iron of your fucking life, you little bastards. Scoop, like that. Put it in a mug, actually. Fucking go. Anyway. Such a white ash. All over fucking grouse. If you like me enough. Fuck! I'm fucking like a fucking ground that man. If you like me, and you're a fucking idiot. I look like I'm just eating ass. Charlotte, I ask you not to fucking comment. a strange woman I go out with does weird things to me. Do you know the one? Psychologically, I mean. Working psychologically. Sorry about that. Anyway. No, you haven't got to do that every time you make a coffee. It's just that when Rishi Sunak introduced that new law, I put up a coffee in it, you silly cunt, and the fucking water in it. Introduced a new law where it's fucking hailstorm now, what the fuck? Where you can shoot 16 times. I nearly fucking died in that video. Oh yeah, I'm pouring the water in the mug. You can't see it because go fuck yourself. I mean, if you called yourself, then fucking hell, you played yourself. Right, I've got a couple of options here for milk. I've got this Yord stuff. It's pronounced Yord because fuck the square root of 100. I could have said that a lot better. No, fuck the square root of 200. That's been probably a bit better. The square root of 200. Who cares? Yeah. If you're allergic to dairy stuff, just go on it like that. And honestly, you have the best night of your life. I'm thinking, you mean the best night of your life? What would you know? Fuck all, mate. Now, I'm using the green stuff, semi-skimmed. If you use like full fat or fucking, was it the fucking red one, then happy Halloween. So you pour it into the mug like that. It's like the advert. It's like you're pouring glue into a fucking cup of brown shit. It might as fucking well be raccoon shit. I said raccoon, as in Raccoon City. Think, oh fucking hell, he said the C word. I said the C word twice already, cunt. 3 times. Anyway, Carl, what's your paycheck? Carl?
Well, I hit the invisible cunt.
Ow! Right, sorry. I'm not invisible, by the way. Just a cunt. So, here you have a nice cup of coffee. It's fucking bland as fuck because it took a spoonful of this shit. Right, so you know how to make a cup of coffee during the rain. So, I've got a piece of advice for you. Now, this is genuinely serious. This is very, very serious. Right? You could hurt yourself if you do this wrong. If you're going to stretch your back or your shoulders, simply place your arm like that. Right, make sure you touch your ear. But like that, well, so I'd say do like that. It gets me, into the rhythm things. So from the top, you go like this. Oh!
Welcome back to Here's How to Fucking Cook. Coffee sweet. Right, thanks for watching, and bit of advice for you. If you're ever going to burn evidence, make sure you use a fire that's called Toby, because if his name's Steve, he'll reverse burn it and actually send it off to the police. No, Will!
What?
Oh, what? Oh, where's mine? Oh, can I have some?
Yeah, go
Oh,
on.
cheers, mate. This fucking coffee sweet is disgusting.
Isn't it? Yeah.
I love it though. I love it.
Pants
I love it.
falling down in me.
Pants falling down, isn't it? Yeah, pants are falling down.
Sorry, you're
Pants-
recording a
Pants
video.
falling down.
You have been watching the Beyond the Colosseum channel. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for more short films, entertaining videos, gaming videos, or check out our blog for future updates.